And I'm studying in class 8A. Today I want to speak about a promise written in time. Respected teachers, my dear friends, good morning. Today the air feels different. Not because flags are higher, not because songs are louder, but because history is breathing beside us. Today is not just a day, it is a reminder of who we were, who we are, and who we are still becoming. On the morning of 26 January 1950, India did not wake up powerful. India did not wake up rich. India woke up responsible. With trembling hands and hopeful hearts, our nation chose words over weapons, value over violence, and laws over fear. These words became our constitution, not merely ink on paper, not merely rules and regulations, but a promise written in courage, a promise written for generations yet to come, a promise that every child would matter, that dignity would not depend on birth, that freedom would walk hand in hand with equality, that no voice would be too small and no dream too insignificant. Voices like Dr. B.R. Ambedkar shaped this dream, believing that true independence is not felt in flags or celebrations, but in fairness, in justice, and in opportunity. Because freedom without equality is incomplete, and independence without responsibility is fragile. Respected teachers, you are the quiet authors of this promise. In classrooms filled with chalk dust and curiosity, you do more than just teach lessons. You shape minds, you nurture values, you plant seeds of thought that grow into character. To your patience, your guidance, and your belief in us, the idea of our Constitution continues to live not in books alone, but in people. And my dear friends, we are not just listeners of this story, we are its next chapter. The Republic does not live only in Delhi. It does not live only in parades or ceremonies. It lives in everyday choices, every honest decision, every act of kindness, every time we chose courage over comfort and truth over convenience. We keep the Republic alive. So today, let us not celebrate with noise alone. Let us celebrate with intention. Let us celebrate with understanding. Let us carry the Republic in our own words, in our actions, and who we chose to become. Because India is not held together by borders. India is held together by belief. And that belief lives in us. A republic is not built in a single day. It is built in quiet moments, in doing what is right, even when no one is watching. May our thoughts remain free, our hearts remain just, and our dreams remain united. As long as its values live within us, the Republic of India will stand strong, not just in history, but in the future we create. Wishing you all a happy Republic Day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.